We are excited to introduce daily observation reports to our quality assurance platform. If you are a current QA customer, you can purchase the DOR program and we can instantly add it to your site. You can also purchase DORs as a standalone product. Your CTOs will come in here every day. The date is filled out, but you can backdate it if necessary. Your DOR program will come preloaded with the APCO standard DOR form, but you can add any customized forms you want. You'll add your seat positions in the back end, totally customizable along with shift and channel. You'll pick your training week, and the drop-down for the employee will only list people you have marked as trainees. So you save the DOR evaluation, and your CTOs can begin filling out the form. Throughout the shift, they'll mark and score their trainees' performances. We have a not observed option for each series, as well as a not responding to training, which you'll check in addition to a score. That way you can see the level that the trainee stopped responding at. The CTO can come down here and make comments throughout the day if they want to give specific information on calls. Then if at any point throughout the day or if they need to come back to the DOR on another day, they can hit save and they won't lose any of their work. You can upload policies you reviewed, quizzes the trainee might have taken, and when the DOR is complete, you simply hit save and complete. It will bring you to the top of the DOR where you can then email it to the trainee, where they'll be emailed a link into this program where they can review their DORs. We add signature lines, so the CTO has a signature added, and when the trainee comes in to review their DOR, they can sign and acknowledge the form as well. We include an optional third management approval signature, which is great for training coordinators or anybody reviewing DORs. One of the most exciting things about this program is our DOR reports. Simply click on the icon at the top for DORs, everything is in one place, and click on DOR reports. Pick the name of your trainee, the form, and the time, and this is going to be the total points report. This will give you an overall look at the trainee's progression through your training program. You can break that up by each category to see specific areas they are either excelling at or might need additional help in. Then once you identify a category you want to look further into, we break it down by each individual question within that category. These graphs are designed to be easy to read and interpret. Finally, we'll pull out the not responding to trainings for you. You click on that section of the reports, and we pull the individual DORs where a not responding to training was checked. Thank you very much for watching this video.
See more products that save time and deliver accurate results